Hey guys, my name is Joseph, and I'm fairly new to wholesaling. I actually just heard about it this year, back in February of 2019, when Tom Krol was featured on a podcast. A few weeks later, about mid-March or so, my wife and I talked it over and did some more research, and we decided to talk with Wholesaling Inc. and just see what kind of training they had to provide. It was in that first consultation call that I got super excited about the possibilities this niche of real estate had to offer. We decided to join that same day, and within 1 to 2 months into their training, I was already able to find our first deal. Now it's about mid to late June, and I've already been able to close on not just one, but 2 deals. I'm super excited about it, and I'm super glad that I joined Wholesaling Inc. Real estate has been something that's always fascinated me, but I really didn't do anything about it. Didn't really take any significant action until I joined Wholesaling Inc., or the tribe as we like to call it. Now, and only 2 to 3 months into it, I've already seen some real profit, and I'm beginning to understand what it looks like to be a successful entrepreneur. I'm really blessed to have become part of this tribe. I've had no other formal or informal training outside of Wholesaling Inc. As it pertains to real estate, that is. But there's one thing I do now know. If you have the persistence to get through any difficulties that you may have, wholesaling is definitely the best way to get into real estate. And if you're going to do that, you absolutely need to join the tribe. So these checks are the last thing I wanted to show y'all. So, don't just take my word for it.